So in this video, with just a few steps, we're going to see how to compile and run C code in a Linux machine. So if you want to find out more, stick with me. Hello, what's up guys, Medium Guy here. In this video we're going to see how to compile and run C code using build tools to compile our C++ files and then export some executable files and run them simply in the terminal. So I hope you're having good times, and without any delay, let's get down to work. So in here in my repository, I've created a CPP directory. So if you haven't cloned my repository, I'll put the link down below. I have all the codes and configuration and every stuff that's related to my videos in here, so you can easily clone this repository. So for the first step, I'm going to say sudo apt-get update. Just remember to do this because this will update the repository links, and if your repositories are not updated, you may have trouble installing the build essentials tool. So just don't forget to update your repositories. So the next thing, I'll say sudo apt-get install build essentials. I'll hit enter. And because I have already installed this, it won't be downloading any stuff, but for you it might take a few seconds depending on your internet connection speed. So my build essential is already in the newest version. So in order to verify installation, I'm going to say which GCC. So with using this command, we can detect which GCC is referred to when we say GCC in the terminal. So the other command, I'll say GCC -- version, and as I can see in here, it is in the 940 version. So I'll hit ls. I have no files in here. The next thing, I'll try to create a file. I'll try to actually create a C or C++ file. So I'll say nano demo.c. In here I'll try to write some really basic C program. So I'll say include stdio.h. The next thing, I'll try to declare my main function. So I'll say int main. I'll pass void as the parameter. And the only thing that I'm going to do is print some stuff to the output. So I'll say print f. In here I'll say hello world. Just don't forget to pass the semicolon at the end, and I'll return 0, again a semicolon, and I'll try to close my curly brackets. So I'll hit save. I'll exit the file. I'll hit Ctrl X. In here we can compile our C file which we just created with 3 commands. So for C files we can say cc the input file, which is demo.c file -o, and we define a executable file. So I'll say demo. I'll hit enter. If I hit ls, I'll see that there is another file which is called demo, and it is an executable file. So if I can say /demo, I'll see that the hello world has been printed to the output. So I'll say rm demo to remove the executable file. Again, I can use gcc, again the input file. So I'll say demo.c -o, and again I'll pass demo to output my executable file to the file called demo. So again, if I hit ls, I'll see that my file is over here. So again, if I hit /demo, I'll see that the exact same thing has been logged to the output. So again, I'll hit rm demo, I'll hit ls, my file's gone. And the last command that we can use to compile our C file is make demo. Just make sure the file with the exact same name with a .c or .cpp exists in the exact same directory that you call the make command. So I have the demo.c over here. It'll also try to guess whether it is a C or a C++ file, and use the matching compiler. So if I hit enter, I see it has used the cc command because my file was a .c file. So again, I'll hit ls. I have my demo executable file in here. If I hit ./demo, again, I'll see that the exact same result have been logged to the output. So this is a really basic way to run our C or C++ files in a Linux machine. I hope you learned something new in this video. Also, don't forget to watch my previous videos. I have some cool stuff in my channel, and I'll really appreciate if you show your support by hitting like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and ask me in the comment section down below. And thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next videos.